Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys, and I'm really excited about it because I found some really great items. I feel like I say that every single time I do a Dollar Tree haul. Like, I'm really excited because I found some amazing finds. Yeah, I found some pretty good items that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I am not going to set it up in my dining room because it's a mess right now. Let me just show you guys really quickly. You're probably waiting for the family room tour. I'm not gonna do it until I get my floors done, and my install date was pushed back for 2 weeks. So as of right now, they're not gonna come out until the 14th of this month, which is June. Yeah, we're in June. But yeah, they're not gonna come out until the 14th. Then I'll have the video around that time. So yeah, sorry about that. I know some of you guys are really waiting to see the family room, but I did let you know on Insta stories if you follow me on Instagram, and I was thinking about doing a tour anyways with the carpet, and everyone was saying no, we can wait. If you have to wait, then we can wait too. So I really do appreciate that for all of you guys that, you know, left that, you know, really nice comments and told me not to stress out. Stuff happens when it comes down to renovations. So yeah, anyways, this is the family, not the family room, but the dining room. I decided to go ahead and paint because I have to wait 2 weeks before I can, you know, do anything. So I figured, why not just go ahead and paint? So I have plastic, and I also started in my office and ran out of paint. And when I went to go pick up some more, the store was out of the base that I need. So they're not going to restock until tomorrow. But yeah, back to the Dollar Tree haul. I just figured I'll plug that information in just in case you're wondering, so you don't have to go in the comments and ask me. I'm just waiting for my floors to get done, and then I will have that family room tour, you know, up for you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to go through these items that I found at Dollar Tree right now. All right, so let me just dump out this bag. Oh my goodness, you guys know I do not like to just grab from the bag, but I wanted to hurry up and get this video done, and I didn't feel like organizing everything. Sorry. I will get my life together next time. But yeah, okay, so I just have some items. My daughter put this in the cart, so yeah, just put that aside. And then I have this pen here for my daughter as well. Super cute. Has a unicorn on it and feathers around it. And then I picked up some cards because I was in a mood for like card games. All right, so I have these tea lights, super cute butterfly tea lights that I plan to put in my daughter's room. And then I picked up some more of these self-laminating sheets. Whenever I'm like sending packages and I print the label at home, I like to put it inside of this sheet so, you know, it doesn't get damaged. So yeah, that's why I always get these for, you know, packages. I do sell a lot of stuff on Poshmark. I'll leave my Poshmark account in the description box if you want to go check out what like clothing items I'm selling. So yeah, and then I just picked up this chalk sidewalk stencil. So yeah, this is just for the kids to play with. And then I picked up these Miss Fields cookies. They used to be my favorite as a child, so I was pretty shocked to see them in Dollar Tree. This is my first time seeing the soap dispenser brush refills. And I always buy these because I like to use these to clean my tub and shower. So I'm glad they have the refills now. I don't have to go and buy the whole, like, you know, stick and everything. And it comes with 2. So yeah, that's a good thing. All right, so the next thing I have is something new at Dollar Tree, the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Figured I'll go ahead and give this a try. All right, so the next thing I have are some pushing sprays by Great Scents. I don't use the pusher. I just like to take the refill here and put it inside of my Glade dispenser. So with this, it's automatic, so when you walk past it, it can sense motion and it'll dispense a nice fragrance, or you can just press it and it'll spray. So you can use these to put inside. Let me open it up so you can see, just in case you're like, what is that? I mean, this is nothing new. This has been out on the market for such a long time. Oh my goodness, if I can like open it up with one hand, that would be great. Okay, let me put the camera down. Alright, so this is how it comes. You just pop it in. And the regular price for the Glade refills are about $3 or $4 or maybe $5. I don't know. It's way more than $1. I do know that. So yeah, this is like a good deal to me. And it smells really good. You have 2 different scents. I have these really cute, kind of basic, but still cute signs that I plan to use in the kids' room. And you can just, you know, hang it on the wall or even just sit it on the dresser. I thought these were cute. They have a more as well, but I like these 2. So decided to go ahead and pick those up. And then I picked up these candles. They are unscented. I don't think I'm going to be burning them. I like them because it matches a piece of art that I have, like the colors matches really well with a piece of art, and I plan to use it all in the same space. So I went ahead and picked these up. Not really sure if these are new. This is my first time seeing them at my Dollar Tree. But yeah, this is definitely new. These items here, these are wood fillers. So you have one that's like a natural color, and this is for interior only. It's paintable, sandable. It says it dries fast, and then you have this one that's stainable, and you can use this indoors and outdoors. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and pick up both because I am always like revamping stuff, and if I have some wood that needs, you know, a filler, then bam, I have some on hand. Alright, so the next thing I have that I was really excited about are these taper candles with the 2 colors. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And my accent color in my family room is navy blue. So I was really excited about these candles. And they also have more colors, pink, and I believe they have green, like a greenish kind of color. So the next new thing at Dollar Tree is some decor, really nice. I think I'm gonna have to spray paint this because I'm not too crazy about this like bronze looking color, but I thought these were really cute. And then I found some peel and stick wall towels, which I was really excited about because I think this design is super cute. Don't really know what I'm gonna do with them as of right now, but this was definitely something I wanted to, you know, bring home because I am always doing some kind of DIY, and I figured this would come in handy. Alright, so the next new item at Dollar Tree is this really cute piece of decor. I plan to use this in my office or my desk, but yeah, I only picked up one. Alright, so I have some more of the stickers that I used in my last Dollar Tree DIY, but I wanted to just go ahead and pick up some more because it is really hard to find these. So when you come across them, get as many as possible. But yeah, I want to use this in another project. Don't know when I'm gonna do that project though, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough on hand. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, some more new items, like a small little vase. You can just put like, you know, a leaf or something inside. But I picked up 2. I like the design on it. It's really nice. And this is also new at Dollar Tree, this candle snuffer. So I went ahead and picked it up. I plan to put this on my coffee table. I thought it was super cute. Just, you know, some decor to add to the table. And these are new at Dollar Tree as well. Some really cute decor that I plan to use in the kids' room. They also have it in more colors. They have black and white. But I really like gold, so I just went ahead and picked up these 2. And also this piece here, I plan to put this one in my office though. Alright, so I have some new beauty and makeup items, but the first thing is this nail polish remover. This is a new container. So much better if you ask me. All you have to do is put like your cotton ball here, press down on it, and it's going to dispense the liquid. And yeah, you don't have to worry about it spilling over. If you accidentally hit the bottle, you can just, you know, do all that. And you don't have to worry about any of the remover coming out. So that's great. I love this. Especially when you're traveling. Oh my goodness, that is like the worst to have your nail polish remover like spill in your cosmetic bag. Alright, so Dollar Tree has some new makeup by Livia. I've never heard of that brand before, but I figured I'll give this matte liquid lipstick a try. I don't really wear lipstick. I'm more of a lip gloss kind of girl, but I figured I'll try to play around with some matte lipstick. And then they have some brow powder. They also have like highlighter and I think like a contour kit as well, but I didn't, you know, need those items. And then I have this one from LA Colors, another matte liquid lipstick. And I just picked up some more brushes. I always buy makeup brushes from Dollar Tree. And then I just picked up these bath cloths. Nothing too special about that. But I do believe these are exfoliating. Yeah, exfoliating stretch bath and shower body cloth. Picked up 2. And I have this small one as well. This is a scrubber. I believe these items are new at Dollar Tree. I don't recall seeing these. I know they sell a lot of like body care products and sponges and stuff like that, but I've never really seen this style before. So, and look at this, guys. They have some new deodorant at Dollar Tree that is supposed to be aluminum and paraben free. So I was really excited. They have more scents as well, but these two were my favorite, the Cotton Lily and Citrus Musk. So yeah, I want to give these a try, see if they're long lasting. I guess these are going to be like some items that I plan to review as well. Alright, so this is something new at Dollar Tree and I've been seeing people haul these, so I was like, oh wow, I have to get my hands on that because I definitely want to give it a try. So yeah, this is supposed to like keep the smell, like, you know, if you have to do number 2 and you don't want to smell it, you spray this in the bowl before you go. And yeah, it's supposed to keep the odor inside of the toilet bowl. I guess we'll have to see if it really works. I guess I can do a review on this too, because I haven't seen anyone review it. I've been seeing people haul these items. Alright, so I have some more decor. Really cute. And these are just some more makeup brushes. I always buy that from Dollar Tree, but look at the nails, guys. They have a new design. You guys know I love some Dollar Tree nails. I am rocking some right now. Super cute, but look at this. It is marble-like and it's so cute. And they have more designs as well. So you have this one and then this here. Really cute. I believe, oh no, one more. Yeah, look at that. That's really cute. So yeah, those are all of the designs, the new designs at Dollar Tree. What's this? Oh, the candlesticks. And okay, so this is new. Look at this. It's a really cute candle holder. Or you can use it for, you know, like storage, like office supplies if you have push pans or paper clips or something. But this is a really cute. I love this blue. That's like my favorite color for home decor. So this is really nice. Okay, so these are the last 2 items. Just picked up these new mirrored picture frames that I've been seeing people doing a lot of really great DIYs with. So yeah, 4x6. It would be nice if the size was bigger, but yeah, decided to go ahead and pick up some. And then you have this really cute like bottle and you just pop the top off. And this would be really great for like your mouthwash. Just put it inside of here and sit it on your vanity instead of having the like original mouthwash bottle sitting there. This is just such a cute way to display your mouthwash. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry about how unorganized it was. Normally I will have everything organized by category, but I just wanted to start recording and get this video up because I really do need to get back to this home makeover. I just made a really big mess that I need to clean up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.